Hi everyone, this is Wafalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. We have got today's topic that is known as the auxiliary verbs, and we have already discussed must, ought to, should, can, could, and today we are going to discuss the sixth one, that is may. Modal auxiliary verb may is used in different categories and it has got different usages. As I told you, modal auxiliary verbs are studied in two categories. One is called the primary level and the second is called secondary level. In secondary level, we have got the percentage of modal auxiliary verb may, that is 30%. It is used for 30%. And in primary level, we'll be discussing today the usages of modal auxiliary verb may. So may is a modal auxiliary verb and it is used for present and future possibility, for both possibility of present and future. It can be used for polite permission, suggestion, pray, and purpose. So let's discuss the first usage, that is present and future possibility. The guest may come today. The possibility of guests coming today is 30%, and that is what you are talking about, the possibility. It can be now or it can be a while later. In the same way, he may get first position. Now in present, it is the result going to be announced. It can be the present possibility, or after some days or maybe tomorrow, you'll say just that he may get first position. Now your prediction about that possibility of that action is 30% going to happen in future. He may take or not, but you have just got the possibility of that action. Polite permission. When you politely ask someone as a query, you'll be saying, may I come in? It is polite permission. And may we drive your car? It is the respective. Can I drive your car? That is a little bit, uh, you know, you are free with a person. But here, may we drive your car? It is more polite than can and should. After that, we have got suggestions. When you suggest someone, you may contact office in charge for admission. It is a suggestion, and here may is used for suggestion. She may consult dictionary for this word. It is suggestion. If you are getting some problem, you can go through dictionary. So over there you are saying she may consult dictionary for this word. Next we have got pray. When you pray for someone, keep in your mind, when you just have simple statements, you'll be having punctuation mark, full stop. When you are asking question, you'll be having question mark. And when you have got pray, sentences of pray always end in exclamation mark. That should be in your mind. May you live long. That is a pray to someone. May you live long. May you get your destiny. It is also called the pray. Next, we have got purpose and aim of doing something. Like I say, she works hard that she may pass exams. What is the purpose of working hard? To get position or pass the exam. And he runs fast. What is the reason behind this? What is the purpose of running fast? In order that he may win the race. So it is adverb clause of purpose and reason. We will be discussing it in classes, but here it can be used as your purpose and aim. Hope you got the usages of modal auxiliary verb may. Number one, it is used for present and future possibility. Number second, it is used for polite permission. Number three, it is used for suggestions. Number four, it is used for pray. Number last, it is used for purpose and aim. Now we have got the structures regarding may. What is difference between structure and modal auxiliary? Modal auxiliary verb, which is alone used as we discuss the usages. Structure means formula wise, with may, have plus third form, like may be plus ing form. These all are known as the formulas to be discussed. Now may have plus third form, where we are going to use may plus third form of the verb. May have plus third form of the verb is used to say that when we speak doubtfully to express less than 30% possibility that someone has or hasn't done this or that action. Now there you have just got imaginations. You just have the doubt against an action that it can be like this because you have got some doubt in it. Now, those sentences can also be used in passive voice, but first we'll discuss the active voice sentences. He may have found a treasure. Now, why you are they saying this sentence? He may have found a treasure because he suddenly got rich and he has got now vehicles to drive. He has got a good living style and he has totally changed. Before he was too poor, he could not survive and he could not earn his daily wages. But in today's time, you can see over there you are doubtful about it. 30% you've got doubt that he may have found a treasure. And it can be changed into passive voice. Treasure may have been found by him. May have been plus third form of the verb plus by plus agent and full stop. Robbers may have killed him. Why? Because he was having some money in his pocket. Here you are doubtful that just for this reason they have killed him. You say robbers may have killed him. He may have been killed by robbers. It can be changed as well as in passive voice. Next we have got they may have created issues. Now over there they may have created issues that people are suffering and they cannot do something better. So this is what you have got, just doubt against this action that 30% possibilities are there that someone has done it like this. And it can be changed into passive voice. Issues may have been created by them. Teacher may not have taught them, that's why they are suffering in exams. And 30% this can be the reason, but 70% students themselves have not improved and not studied, and this is what you are saying about it. They may not have been taught by teacher. We are talking about students. They may not have been taught by teacher. Why? Because they are not attending the paper well, and they are just, you have got the some doubt against it that they may not have studied and not have been taught by the teacher. She may not have cheated you. Over there you are saying that she may not have cheated you. If she may have cheated you, you would have faced a lot of problems. That is what you are still happy and spending good life. You may not have been cheated by her, that you are phrasing or something like that she is good or something. May plus have to plus first form of the verb. Now over there this structure is used. May have plus third form of the may have to plus first form of the verb is used when we express any possible necessary work or a compulsion. Now over there you have got any compulsion or necessary possible necessary to do this work, you'll be using may have to plus first form of the verb. He may have to come with us. It can give some in the sense of should, like he may have to come with us. He may not have to come with us, then it is the negative for the same. And they may not have, they may have to reach earlier. They may have to reach earlier to express any compulsion that it is necessary. It is you are compelled to do this work, otherwise there is no possibility to reject this. They may not have to reach earlier. I may have to support them. Why? Because it is compulsion. We have to support them by hook or crook. We need to support them. I may not have to support them, then it is the negative of the same sentence. Teacher may have to leave the class because the time is over. Now it is necessary to leave this activity because the next teacher to come and teach. Teacher may not have to leave the class because his course is remaining and he has to complete it. In this sense, then it can be used. She may have to join a job. Why? Because that is compulsion. Because only the salary of husband, they may not survive, and that is what we are requesting, or we are having such sort of compulsions that she is being asked to join any duty or job. She may not have to join a job because Her husband has got enough salary to survive and they can survive easily. So she may not to join a job. Hope you got may have plus third form of the verb and may have to plus first form of the verb. Next, we have got may have plus noun, where we are going to use this one. May have plus noun is used to speak doubtfully about a property of someone. It is as like we will be talking about property. May have plus noun, may not have plus noun. It is the negative then. He may have a gun. Why? Because he has got some enemies and when he walks, so he does not walk without gun. So that is what you are saying, that this property may exist this time. He may have a gun. He may not have his friends. He may not have his friends. Then that is negative for property. They may have money. Now over there, they have come to bazaar and they are going to buy something. Definitely they have come to bazaar, so they may have money. But if they are coming and asking, buying nothing, then you will say they may not have money. That is what they have come for window shopping. And window shopping is the shopping where you don't buy something but you just go and visit for fun with your friends. She may have her brother here, and this is what just having prediction that she is too much afraid and she cannot walk and even cannot talk. So you say that she may have her brother here and she may not have her brother here. That is why she is too much confidence and she is talking bravely. Teacher may have a stick. Why? Because when he comes for the class he may have a stick, and teacher may not have a stick. Maybe today is a function and you are having just doubt in the property that someone has. Clear? And next one we have got Ali may have his friends in class because there is too much noise in the class and they are celebrating their party. And Ali may not have his friends in class because that is too much silence and his friends have left now and he is studying in the class. So that is what you are saying doubtfully about the possession. And keep in your mind, property does not exist only possession but also relationship. So hope you got this one. Maybe plus noun. Where do we use this structure? Maybe plus noun is used to speak doubtfully about someone's status. Status, which sort of status he has, condition, he is in which condition, or profession, which profession he belongs to. He may be a teacher, the way he is transferring the knowledge. So this is what we have got a doubt in him that he may be a teacher. And if someone is teaching and he does not have these techniques of a teacher, you'll say he may not be a teacher. You may be ill because by your condition it looks like you're not feeling well, and that is what I'm saying, that your condition is too bad, doubtfully, but maybe you are showing this laziness because of another reason, but it can be seen by your condition that you are too lazy. So that is what I've said, you may be ill. You may not be ill. Why? Because you are just pretending. Yes, you are not ill, but you are just having yourself to be like. They may be poor. Why? Because their condition, their house, living, and their everything I have observed, I said they may be poor. And they may not be poor because I think that they are miser, having that much property, but they are miser. She may be a doctor. Her personality looks like she is a doctor, maybe or may not, but we are not sure. We are just saying doubtfully, and that doubt is 30%, but 70% we are not sure about. Keep in your mind, may always have the possibility of 30% in every usage. And she may not be a doctor because she is having the dress or something like, but she is not able to judge whether the patient has got which sort of illness. He may be a player because the way he is playing, I say that he may be a player. He is not in the kit, though I do not know he plays or not, but I've just got the imagination. And next one we have gotten, that is, he may not be a player. So hope you got may add plus noun and may be plus noun. And the last topic we have got may be plus ing form of the verb. Where we are going to use may be plus ing form. May be plus ing form is used when we don't see the action happening. When you do not see an action happening in front of your eyes, we only see some signs of happening or listen some hints of happening. We have just got some hints and some doubt in that of happening. We say doubtfully with 30% certainty that it is possible that this action may be in progress at this time in the present. Now I say he may be sleeping. Now I'm not sure whether he's sleeping or watching his mobile all the time, all the night, but here I've just got the imagination. What is my imagination and my doubt in this? I say because lights are off and doors are closed. Lights are off and doors are closed. Definitely, wherever you go, the lights are off and the doors are closed. So you say that he may be sleeping, but he may not be sleeping, or he is maybe that using mobile or something like. They may be fighting. Now you are not seeing them while fighting, but there can be some logical hints by which you will say that they may be fighting, because they are using an abusive language loudly, and you can hear the sound of some sticks or something like doors being hit by the legs, and that is what you've got just your doubtfulness in that. Next is she may be weeping. Now you cannot see her while weeping, but because she is totally depressed. And teacher may be punishing the students because he is scolding the students. Clear? So there you are not able to see them, but you have got just imagination and ends where you say that this may be happening like this. So hope you got today's lecture regarding modal auxiliary verb may and its different structures used in with modal auxiliary verb may. So hope it is clear to you. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.